वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम् अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः। The last class we chanted the fourth section of the first chapter, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We'll do chanting of the first section of the second chapter, which we are very much familiar. समास विधायक सूत्राणि अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः। प्रथमः पादः समर्थः पदविधिः शुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे प्राक्कडारात् समासः सह सुपा अव्ययी भावः अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप समृद्धि वृद्ध्यर्थाभावात्ययः सम्प्रतिशब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चात् यथानुपूर्वयोगपद्य सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्यान्त वचनेषु यथा सादृश्ये यावदवधारणे
यावदवधारणे
सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे
सुप्रतिमात्रार्थे
अक्षशलाका संख्याः परिणाम
अक्षशलाका संख्या
परिणा
विभाषा
विभाषा
अपपरिबहिरञ्च वः पञ्चम्या
अपरिबहिरञ्चम्या
आङ्मर्यादाभिविद्योः
मर्यादाभिविद्योः
लक्षणेनाभिप्रती आभिमुख्ये
लक्षणेनाभिप्रतिमुख्ये
अनुर्यत्समया
अनुर्यत्समया
यस्य चायामः
यामः
तिष्ठद्गु प्रभृतीनि च
तिष्ठद्गुप्रभृतीनि च
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या
संख्यावंश्येन
संख्यावंशेन
नदीभिश्च
नदीभिश्च
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञाया
अन्यपदार्थान्यया संज्ञाया
तत्पुरुषः
तत्पुरुषः
द्विगुश्च
द्विगुश्च
द्वितीया श्रुतातीतपतितगतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
द्वितीयापन्नैः
स्वयं तेन
स्वयं तेन
खट्वाक्षेपे
खट्वाक्षेपे
सामी
सामी
कालाः
कालाः
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
तृतीयार्थेन गुणवचनेन
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलहनिपुनमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
पूर्वसदृशसङ्गुणार्थकलहनिपुनमिश्रलक्ष्णैः
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कर्तृकरणे बहुलम्
प्रत्ययरधिकार्थवचने
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
अन्नेन व्यञ्जनम्
अन्नेन व्यञ्जनम्
भक्ष्येन मिश्रीकरणम्
भक्ष्येन मिश्रीकरणम्
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
चतुर्थी तदर्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
पञ्चमी भयेन
पञ्चमेन भयेन
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रपशः
स्तोकान्तिकदूरार्तकृच्छ्राणिक्थेन
तोकान्तिकदूरान्तकृच्छ्रान्तेन
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
कृत्यैर्णे
कृत्यैर्णे
संज्ञायाम्
संज्ञायाम्
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तेनाहोरात्रामयवयवाः
तत्र
तत्र
क्षेपे
क्षेपे
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पात्रे
समितादयश्च
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजगत्पुराणनवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
पूर्वकालैक
सर्वजरत्पुराणनवकेवलासमानाधिकरणेन
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे
च
संख्यापूर्वोद्विगुः
संख्यापूर्वोद्विगुः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
कुत्सितानि
कुत्सितानि
पापानके कुत्सितैः
पापानके कुत्सितैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
उपमितं
व्याघ्रादिभिः
व्याघ्रादिभिः
सामान्ये प्रयोगे
विशेषणं विशेष्येन बहुलम्
विशेषणं विशेष्येन बहुलम्
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरमझगन्यसमानमध्यमध्यम वीराश्च
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरमझगन्यसमानमध्यमध्यमविराश्च
श्रेयान्या श्रेण्यादय कृतादिभिः
श्रेण्यादयकृतादिभिः
तेन नञ् विशिष्टेनानञ् सन्नगत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
पूज्यमानैः
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
कतरकतमो जाति परिप्रश्ने
कतरकतमो जाति परिप्रश्ने
किं क्षेपे
किं क्षेपे
ओटा युवती स्तोककतिपय धृष्टिधेनुवशावेहद्भष्कयनी प्रदतृ श्रोत्रियाध्यापकधूर्धैर्जातिः
ओटा युवती तव
प्रशंसावचनैश्च युवा खलति पलितवलिनजरतीभिः
खलति पलितवलिनजरतीभिः
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या वर्णो वर्णेन कुमारश्रवणादिभिः चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या मयूरव्यंसकादयश्च इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
इति
पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
प्रथमः पादः
प्रथमः पादः
All of you, did you go through this document which we did? Samskrita Anuvada of the English document.
Yes.
Ganesh, did you see this?
I only went to the English one, sir.
Sanskritam also I sent.
Yes, sir.
We did the translation of that Samskrita version. That English, what we did in the class, I gave summary. The same thing in Sanskrit. You see whether you understand. These are the sutras. I will summarize and write vritti, etc. now. Point number 1. Ugitanta Pratipadikam gets num agama when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. That is, Kena Sutrena Ugitajam Sarvanamasthane Dhatoho Numiti Anuvritti 7170 Saptama Adhyayasya Pratama Padasya Saptati Sutram. Important sutram, you have to remember. Ugitajam Sarvanamasthane. Then if you say that much, it's fine. Ugitajam Sarvanamasthane. Ugit. Acham. Acham itikte anchu. 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 Anchu dhatu. Yata anchu dhatu is, it is used in the derivation of noun forms like paranj, the directional words. Those are all anchu dhatu. That is also there in the Shabda mentioned. We will see that later, after some time, not now. So, acham, anchu, leave it for time being. Take ugit. Urul, anta, pratipadikam, which covers shatranta, tavatu pratyanta, that is kridanta, then davatu, etc. Some taditanta, matut, patut, it covers those also. All the Ugitanta Pratipadikam. Whether it is Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga, Sarvanamastane, Num Bhavati. That is a very important sutra. Ugitanta Pratipadikam gets Num Bhavati. Now, Samskrita version you see. Ugitanta Pratipadikasya Sarvanamastane Pratyaya Pare Num Agamaha Bhavati. Simple translation. Then second point, what we wrote here. The Ugitanta Pratipadikam can be divided into Shatranta and Atuanta. Why this division? Both are Ugit only. Shatru, Atu, U, both are Ugit. Why this division? Because Atuanta only will get Upada Dirgatvam. Atuanta will get only Upada Dirgatvam when Sarvanamasthana Asambuddhi Su follows. Right? It get Upada Dirgatvam. Only Atuanta only will get Upada Dirgatvam. What about Shatranta? Will it get Upada Dirgatvam?
No.
No. Because Patan, Patanto, Patantaha.
It is.
Right? Pachan, Pachanto, Pachantaha, Pachantam, Pachanto, Pachanto. Where is Upada Dirgatvam?
Yeah.
No.
Upada Dirgatvam. Therefore, among the Ugit, this is, you have to make this division. Atu only will get Pada Dirgatvam. That too when?
Sarvanamastana, Asambuddhi.
Sarvanamasthana, Asambuddhi,
Sambuddhi
Su.
Su
Su follows.
Pratyaya.
Does it mean for Pullinga, suppose? How, just, out follows, will it happen? Yes
No.
or no? No.
No.
Sarvanamastana asambuddhi supratyaya pare eva pratipadikasya upadayaha dirghatvam bhavati. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Not for other, like Bhagavan, example, or Bhavat, anything you take. Bhagavan, pratyaya is Vatu pratyaya. Bhagaha asya asti iti Bhagavan, Bhagavat, Bhagavatu, it's Vatu pratyaya, Vatup. Vatup is Tadita pratyaya. Vatup, ending with Atu. Therefore, Pada dirgatvam bhavati only when sarvanamasthana asambuddhisu pratyaya follows. Therefore, Bhagavan. After that, Bhagavanto, not Bhagavanto. Right? Bhagavanto. Bhagavanto. Bhagavan, Bhagavanto, Bhagavantaha.
Bhagavantah.
Numagama comes because sarvanamasthana pratyaya, but Upada dirgatvam doesn't happen. It happens only for asambuddhisu. This to be remembered. Similarly, Bhavat Shabda. Here, Bhavat is Davatu Pratyaya, not Shatranta. If it is Shatranta, Upada Dirgatvam will not happen. Please know the distinction. This Bhavan is derived from Bhavatu, and Bhavatu is because of Davatu. That is a different Pratyaya. If it is Bhavat Shabda, Shatrata Shabda, then the declension would be Bhavan Bhavanto Bhavantaha. Bhavantam Bhavanto Bhavataha. Yata Pachat Shabdaha Tadvat. Is it clear?
Yes.
This is Davatu Pratyaya, completely different Pratyaya, Atu only. So Upada Dirgatvam happens. Here the question will come. After this, I will read the Sanskrita version. Which one you will do first? Numagama first or Upada Dirgatvam first? The question will come. Here, you have to see the Sutra Pata, which I explained all the Sutram in this section, 6.4 section. This I have mentioned many times in other, in Ashtadhyayi class also, we have seen this, and this here also, for those who are completely new. For others, it's a revision. In case if you have forgotten, again learning, otherwise it's a revision. You see, 6th chapter, 4th section. Here it is 647. Sarva no padayaha. 648. Sarvanamasthanecha asambuddhau. No padayaha is akarasya upadayaha. That is the sthani, where dirgha adesha will happen. Why dirgha adesha? This is under the section. Under the what is the anuvritti? What is this section is called? I told this, you should remember this. What is this section? What is this section?
Angasya.
Angasya is the Adhikara Sutra. No, I want the answer with what I expect. Dirgha section.
Dirgha section. Okay.
Dirgha, from where the word dirgha comes as anuvritti?
Dralope purasya.
Dralope purvasya dirgho anaha. Kutra asti?
63111.
63111. We are in 6.4. This is 6th chapter, 4th section. Angasya. Angasya iti adhikara sutram asmadarabhya saptama adhyayasya antima padasya antima sutra paryantam vartate. Right? This is Anga section. All the Anga related karyas you will find here. But this as anuvritti of dirgha from 63111. Where did we see the sutra? On which occasion?
Dode lopaha.
Ado.
Dode lopaha. Rori, remember?
Yes.
Yes.
Rori, dralope, dode lopaha. That we saw this. Therefore, dralope, purvasya, dirgaha, anaha. So here, this dirgaha goes up to anuvritti, goes as anuvritti up to 6:4:18. Starting from here up to 6th chapter, 4th section. So it exceeds this section and goes to the next section also up to the 18th sutra. So therefore, what section it is this? Dirga. What karya happens? Dirga karya happens. That you have to remember. If any dirga desha is there, and for like this nakaranta, ugitanta, etc., come and refer here. Is it clear?
Yes.
Angasya. Okay, I'm talking everything in some English only, it's okay. I started with that. But Nami, you take another one. Nami. What is Nami? See, this is another one. Not connected now to our topic, but still I'm saying, because this is Dirga section to make you see this is Dirga section. You know, Nami. In Rama Shabda, where this Nami is there. Nam, not Nami. Nami. Nami is what vibhakti?
Saptami.
Saptami.
So therefore, what is the word that
Nam.
right?
Nam.
In Rama Shabda, Nam is there.
Ramanam.
Shashti Bhava.
Shashti Bhagavachanam.
So, Nami pratyaya pare pratipatikasya Ramasya kim bhavati?
Dirgatvam.
Ramana. That is what Nami here is.
Okay.
How you get Nami? Where is Nam? Am only is there. Nas, Os, Am, right? Suvojas, Amochas, Tabhyambis, Nebhyambis, Nasibhyambis, then Nas, Os, Am. Where is this Am? The Nam comes. That is Nam, this Nakara is Nut Agama. Okay.
Okay.
That is by some other sutra, not required now. Just see that it is a Nam. But here another thing is that okay, it's all not connected to what we are saying, but still, if I say, you will understand. So I'm saying extra things, aside things. See, Am is the pratyaya, right? Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachanam. Then what is the Anga? What is the Anga called technically? Yeah? Very good. Bhasanya. Very good. Angasya ka sanya bhavati? Bhasanya. Echibham, right?
Yeah.
Now, when it gets Nut Agama, will it continue to get Bhasanya? Yes or no?
No.
Because it is no
more it is.
No more Ajadi, right?
Ajadi, yeah.
Therefore, what Sanya it will get?
Adam Sanya.
Very good, it is Padasanya. It is like, because Nakara is not yet. Ekara, it's not Ekaradi or Ajadi. Therefore, Suadishu Asaranamasthane Padam, by the Sutra, it will get Padasanya. Remember, this we saw this Padantat Toho Anam, right? Na Padanta Toranam. Okay, that is different. Anyway. There also Anam is the Nam. There also Nam is the Shannam. That is different anyway. You have to see the link. Here Nam is there Nam is there. Just connection. I mean that Nam, you remember that connection, but that Nam, the thing happens, what happens is different. There it is Tuttasandi. That's different. Okay, fine. Therefore, this Angasya Padasanya Bhavati. That Angasya Padasanya is for some reason. I think this also we have seen only. That is connected to that sutra only. Na Padanta Toranam.
Yeah, there also Nuttagama comes.
Not Nuttagama. Na Padanta Toranam is. First of all, you have to know what is Na Padanta Toranam. What is that? Na Padanta Toranam. Anyway, I'm going away from the topic, but it's okay. But you have seen, you have to recall what you have learned in the Shtutva Sandhi. Sutta Sandhi is not new. With Sutra, without Sutra,
Yeah.
we know, we have seen
The
that.
Padanta Tavarga will not cause Tutvam.
Okay, I will
Except the word Nam.
summary, Sandhi chart is there with you. Please take it. I'll open that also. Summary of Sandhi rules. Shtutra Sandhi. You can see. Na Padanta Toranam. Yes. See, that is a connection. It's very much connected. This, it will get Padasanya. Now, because of Pada, what will happen? Suppose if it is suppose if the Pada ending with Tavarga letter, Pada, if that Nam is there, Nam is a Pratyaya, then the Pratipadikam, if it is ending with Pratipadikam gets a Sanya, Padasanya. So therefore, I can call it as a Padam. Now, if the Pada ending with the Tavarga letter, then here followed by Nakara, which is a Tavarga letter, what will happen? What's supposed to happen? Shtutam, that is negated.
Negated, yes.
That is negated. Na Padanta Toranam. Okay, that is not here. Maybe Sandhi, in some other place, they have written that. I will explain that. Again, it is, as I said, it is not connected. So this is something extra. You can. What is Sutra number? Can anyone say? 8444?
42. 42.
42. Okay. Na Padanta Toranam. No. Some in my notes it is there, but it's difficult to try it now. It's okay. We'll see here. You see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see this example. Shash plus Santi. Just a joining, okay? Shash plus Santi. What will happen? Jalan Joshonte, Shad.
Shad.
Shad plus Taranti. You apply, you get this. Now, after that, this Dakara is Tavarga letter. Sakara is Tavarga letter. What will happen by Shtutta Sandhi? What's supposed to happen?
So, is replaced
By
Murdanya Shaka.
Sakara will become more than a
Murdani. Supposed to happen, but doesn't happen. Why? Because Shad is a Padam. Shad is a Padam or not? Should not have any doubt. It's a Padam, okay? How do you decline Shad Shabda? Shad or Shad? That's how you decline. Bhagavachanam, Nitya Bhagavachanam, Pratama Vibhakti, Nitya Bhagavachanam. It is Rupam. So it is a Pada, Padanta letter is Dakara, Tavarga letter, followed by Tavarga letter. Truttam will not happen. That is what Na Padantat Toho. Toho, Tavargasya. Padante Stitasya Tavargasya Na Bhavati. What Na Bhavati? Truttam Na Bhavati. Anam. Anam is Nam Varjagitva. Accepting Nam. What is Nam? Shakti Vibhakti Bhagavachana Rupam. How we get Nam, Nakara? Because of some Agama. Nut Agama. The Pratyaya which is Am, because of which the Anga gets Vasagya, now it gets a Nuttagama, therefore it becomes Nam, therefore Anga gets a Sanya, Padasanya. Understand? So therefore Anga becomes a Padam, right? Padanta, now Tavarga letter, Padanta Tavarga letter if you take, then what will happen? By this sutra, Tuttam not supposed to happen, right? But Anam says, if it is Nam, it will happen. Is it clear?
Yes.
If it is Na Padanta Toranam says, Padanta Tavargasya Stane, Padantat Tavargat Uttarasya. Padantat Tavargat Uttarasya Tavargasya Shtuttam Na Bhavati.
Na Bhavati.
Nam Varjayitva, we say, if Nam is there, is an exception. Therefore, see here, you see my word file?
Yes, sure.
Shad plus Nam. And I'm writing Shakti Vibhakti Bhagavachana Rupam. Then what will happen? Before, see, step you have to follow. That is, first it was Shash, then Am is Shashti Bhakti, Bhagavacha Pattaya, it gets Num Agama. Here you can see the change. Because of Am Pratyaya, Akaradi, I mean Ajadi Pratyaya, therefore Angasya, Kasanya, Kasanya. Nuttagamam Krutva Nam Bhavati, Namiti Rupam Pratyasya, Ataha Angasya, Kasanya Bhavati,
Padasanya.
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 In the ba sanya is removed because akadara only one sanya possible. You cannot enjoy both sanya. So therefore it will get padasanya. Now padante sitasya tavargasya tata then tavargasya sanyoge when it is in contact, what will happen? By stutta sandhi, nakara supposed to become murdanya nakara, but it will not, should not happen because na padanta toho. That same sutra says anam, nam varjigitva. If it is nam, it will happen. Exception to exception. Understand? It means back to utsarga, stuttam will happen. So shash plus nam, jalam jashavante you apply. Then after that, what will happen? Shad plus nakara will become
Nakara.
Murdanya
Murdanya
nakara.
nakara.
Murdanya nakara.
Murdanya nakara. Then after that,
The
Yaraha.
dakara becomes
yaraha
Murdanya
arunasike,
nakara.
arunasiko. That also we have seen. Shanna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shanna.
Shannam. Shannam Bhagaviti Rana. That shloka Shannam is there. Anyway, this is aside point. This Nami is there. Here no Dirghatam happens. Okay. Upadayaga Dirghatam possible, provided if it is a Pratipadikam as the not Upadayaga Dirghatam. Sorry, it is the Angasi Dirghatam, not Upadayaga. Angasi Dirghatam could have happened if the Pratipadikam is Ajanta Pratipadikam. This is not Ajanta, right? Therefore, doesn't happen. In the case of Rama plus Rama plus getting Nuttagama, therefore Nam, Angasya Kim Bhavati by this 643. Nami Pratyaya Pare, Angasya Dirghatam Bhavati. That the Dirgha section I told. So Rama. Understand? Then Rama Nam. After that, Nakara become Murdanya. Oh, by what rule? Very good. Rama Nam. That is Nattam. This is how we get Ramana. Then Hari plus getting Nuttagama. How we get Nuttagama? Leave it. We'll see that later. Then will become
Harinam.
Hari as well as Nuttam, everything happens. Similarly, Guru plus
Guru
Yes.
Nam.
Guru
Nam.
Nam. Everywhere you see Pitru Nam, Atru Nam, everywhere you get Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachana Rupam Dirgham Nasti. Dirghatam Bhavati. This is by the Sutra Nami. Okay. That is incidental. So we have connected that to Stutta Sandhi also. So all these things, connections, you can write it if you want. I'm not writing, and just saying this will make you see the connection. You understand the connection?
Yes, Ji.
Okay. Now, leave that. It's over. Come back here. No Padayaha. Let us not forget what we are discussing. No Padayaha is Upadayaha Nakarasya Upadayaha Dirghatam Bhavati. This is what is very clearly says. So, the Anga, otherwise called Pratipadikam, ending with Nakara, its Upada gets Dirghatam. That is what the Sutram says, right? So, no Padayaha Dirghatam is Nakarasya Upadayaha. Where the Nakara should be?
Yan.
Yan.
Pada.
Where is that? Where that Nakara should be? Padant, it is Angasya, not Padanta, Pratipadikanta, Nakara. Anga at the end of the Anga, the Nakara at the end of the Anga, or you can say Nakara at the end of the Pratipadikam. Okay. Tasya Upadayaha Dirghatam Bhavati. That is what no Padayaha. Nakarasya Upadayaha. No Padayaha is the anuvritti of Angasya. Angasya, Nakarasya means Angasya, Antyasya, Nakarasya, Upadayaha Dirghatam Bhavati. Iti Jnatavyaha. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Whereas Santa Mahata Sanyogasya, There it is very clear. Sanyoga is there. And Sanyoga is Santa, Sakaranta. Therefore, Nakara where should be there? Before.
Before the.
There
okay,
it you have to understand it as before. Okay. Do you remember all these things?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now come to 14th Sutra. Atvasantasya chadatoho. There what happens? Atu. That's what we are discussing. We start our discussion with that. Atvasantasya chadatoho. What happens? There
Numagama.
Numagama comes first or Dirghatam happens first? That is the question.
Dirghatvam will follow.
Why Dirghatam happens first?
That what is that? Sayogasya that says.
Because Dirghatam happens because that is what the sutra says. No padayaha dirghatam. See, if you do Numagama first, this is what we are reading. Atu will get Dirghatam. When Sranamasana Asambuddhi Su follows, Dirghatam only talked about. Numagama talked about little later. You can see here. Where is that? Here, Atu being Ugit, it will get Numagama. When do you add in Numagama? After Dirghatam. That is, Dirghatam followed by Num should be done. If you do Numagama first, then what will happen? If you, for example, Bhagavat Shabda, if you take Bhagavat plus Supratyaya, then what will happen? Can I take Su or can I take Au or just? Which one I will take? For the Sutra, Atvasantasya chadatoho. Can I take just?
No, so only.
Only Su, because Asambuddhi Su
Asambuddhi,
Pratye Pare Eva Dirghatam Bhavati. Remember that. Okay, that condition is there. So, if suppose this is a Ugita or not? Bhagavat.
Agatha.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Atu Pratyaya is there.
Atu. Yeah. Atu.
Suppose if I do Numagama first, and you may say Numagama should be done first. You may argue. Why? Because Num being an Agama should be done first. It becomes an integral part of the Anga. After that, only Anga Karya should be done. You remember the statement? Agamaha Tadguni Bhutaha. Agama becomes an integral part. First, Agama should be done. After that, only Anga Karya should be done. This is a rule. Okay. Agama should be done first. And any other Karya follows only. This is a general rule. Agama becomes an integral part of the Anga. Then only you have to do the Anga Karya. Okay. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes,
This is
yes,
everywhere it is. But here it is not. That is why I have written Dirghatam followed by Num. Why? If you ask, the reason is if you add in Numagama and after that Numagama comes because of the being a Ugit.
Okay.
Ugit. Numagama comes. Saranamasthanecha. Sorry. Ugitacham Saranamasthan. Now Asambuddhi Saranamastana Supratyaya Pare Angasya Dirghatam Bhavati, when we say that Anga ending with Nakara. No Padayaha Dirghatam Bhavati. That is what the Sutram says. You can see. No Padayaha Dirghatam Bhavati. Nakara. Pada to Nakara. No Padayaha. It goes as Anuvritti up to 18th Sutram. Right? And we are in the 14th Sutram. Atvasantasya chadhatoho. If you say Nakara, which is the ending letter of the Anga or the Pratipadikam, its Upada will get Dirghatvam, then what will happen here? Here Nakara is not the ending, right? It's not Nakaranta. It becomes Takaranta. Then Dirghatvam cannot happen, right? But the Sutra says Dirghatvam happen when Asambuddhi Su follows. Therefore, what we do? First we do Dirghatvam and then we do Numagama. Because the Sutra ordains both And num agama, if it is done, dirghatvam cannot happen, which the sutra ordains. Therefore, we have to change the order. Dirghatvam first and then num agama. Because sutram itself allows that to happen. You understand?
Yes.
It's not clear or not clear?
Yes,
Clear,
clear,
sir.
sir.
Sutram itself allows the regular procedure to be violated. The satta santasya chadataho says dirghatvam, both karya happens. Atu being a ukit, numakama comes. And at being atu, dirghatvam also happens. Atu ending means at pratyaya only becomes atu only become at. That's what the sutram says. But if you add numagama first, it becomes ant. Then after that, no padayaha when you see, when you that anuvritti comes, the pratipadikam doesn't ending with nakara, it is takara. Therefore, it will not do upada dirghatvam, it will go away. That is not desired. Therefore, upada dirghatvam is done first and then nakara, that num is done. This is the krama. This is what I have mentioned in my write-up. The last class I told. I didn't explain all these things. This is because last class we had some confusion. That's why I had to write in English. Then you understood. Therefore, in Sanskritam also both. Okay. So where is the English version? This is Padadirgattam. Now you see there English version. You understand all of you what I'm saying? This is done, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Ji.
sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
You see this. Point number 2. I was reading and giving the English Sanskrita translation. Dugitanta Pradipadikam can be divided into Shatranta and Atuvanta. Why this division? Because Atu only will get Padadirgatvam when Sarvanamastana Sambuddhisu follows. Sambuddhisu follows. Where is that Su follows is there? Please see the sutra. Where is the Su is there? Only when Su follows happens for Atu and us. Where is that Su?
Saucha.
Saucha, don't forget.
Yeah.
Saucha,
Yes.
13th sutra. Don't think it is for all Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. No. Only when the Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya Su follows, and that has to be Asambuddhi. It means not 8-1. It has to be 1-1. Therefore, Saucha. Sau comes as Anuvritti. Okay. Sau comes as Anuvritti. Therefore, Bhagavan. What about how? It is Bhagavanto, not Bhagavanto. Similarly, Vedas Shabda, if you take Vedaha, then Vedasau, not Vedasau, right? Nachiketas, Nachiketa, Nachiketasau only, not Nachiketasau, right? Doesn't happen. Only when Asambuddhisu follows. These things you have to remember. Now you see the Sanskrita version. This is for our understanding what there are not right up we wrote. That is 1 year. Uganta Pratipadikam Dvida Bhavati. For our understanding divided into 2. Yathashatrantam Atvantam Cha. Ganesh, this is English Sanskrita translation. Okay.
Yes,
Same
yes,
thing.
sir.
Kimartam Yeshaha Vibhaga Sarvanamastana Sambuddhi Sau Pratyaya Pade Atvanta Pratipadikasya Eva Upadayaha Dirgattam Bhavati. Udaharanam Bhagavan. Right? Okay, now the third point. Sakaranta Pratipadikam, which is an Ugit. And Magat Pratipadikam is, okay, here also one extra information. You can note it down. Magat Pratipadikam, that is a dhatu, mak dhatu. You remember I told in the last class, mak dhatu, mak pujayam. Right? Mak pujayam.
Yes, yes, Ji.
If it is a Shatranta, then what will happen? Mak plus it is belongs to the Vadigana, Mak plus Shap plus Tip, Shatru. What will happen?
Mak plus Mahat only.
Magat, when you decline that,
Mahan, it will become, no?
it will become
Mahan.
Magan,
Mahantau.
Mahantau,
Oh,
Mahantaha,
Mahantaha,
like Patan, Patanta, Pata, because Shatra,
Padantaha.
right? But this, that Magat is given in the Sutra, Santa Magata Sanyogasya, right? So, what will happen here is, maybe I will put a star here. You can see both for Sanskritam and English version. I will write this. This is again some aside information. This much detail not required anyway for this class. Anyway, I'm giving. So Magat Shabda you take. That is, you see my screen. I'm typing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure.
What am I typing?
Vartamani.
Vartamani.
Okay. There are so many files I have kept it open. I don't know where. So Vartamane, Prashad, then Brigat, then Mahat, then Jagat. These Vartamane is Vartamane let the Vartamane. These words Prashad, Brigat, Magat, Jagat, Shatravacha iti ekam Unadi Sutram asti. Unadi Sutram. There's a Unadi Sutram. Among these other words, we are not interested. We are interested only in the word Magat. To take Magat. Magat, what happens? Shatravacha. It is treated like a Shatru. Shatru is Ugit. Ugitvat num bhavati. Dirghotam na bhavati. Because the Shatru, right? Ugit only. But this sutram only, that what we are saying, Santamagata Sanyogasya only ordains Dirghatvam. Anyway, why it is not Shatru, if you ask? Mahadatu, which is Pujaya, meaning is Pujaya. Shatranta Rupam of that would be Magat, Mahat, Mahantau, Mahantaha, like that it will go. But here in this Unadi Sutram, the word Magat is derived by Mach plus Ati Pratyaya. It is a different. It is different. Ati, this by this Unadi Sutram. Unadi also Krut only. Therefore, this is a Krudanta. So Mach plus At will become Magat. Now Magat is what ending? Ati ending. Is it a Shatra? This Magat, not that Shatra Magat. Is it a Shatra? No.
No.
Oh, no, it will not be.
But Shatravacha, it means it will be treated like a Shatru. Unadi Pratyaya, Ati Pratyaya is added. That Ati Pratyaya is not seen as Sutra. That is comes as Anuvrutti even for Unadi Sutra. Don't worry about that. So here what happens? Ati Pratyaya is added by the Unadi Sutram and the form becomes Magat, but it will be treated like you treat as Shatru. Shatru being Ugit, therefore no Magama comes. Understand? Like Shatru is what, Anta? It is Shatru is
Rikara.
Rikara, Inta, therefore Ugit. But this is not, this is even though it is Ati is there. Ati is E. E is a Ugit. No.
No.
E is there, it's a non-Ugit. But it becomes Ugit because of Shatruvatvam. Understand? Because it is ordained Shatruvatvam, even though it is not an Ugit, it will be treated to be Ugit. Because of that, what will happen? It will get Num Agama. You want me to write that? Shatruvatvat. Shatruvatvat. Num bhavati. Num agamaha bhavati. Right? Otherwise, this magat, which is derived by adding ati pratyaya, unadi pratyaya, will not get num. Is it clear?
Yes,
Now
ji.
go back here and see. Sakaranta pradipadikam and magat pradipadikam, which is an exception to shatru. Why it is exception to shatranta I have written? It is not a shatru, number one, but it is shatruvat. Therefore, shatruvat it is declined. Numagama it will get. But shatranta will not get pada dirgatva. Pachanto pachantaha only, not pachanto. In that sense, it is exception to shatru magat, because magat will get pada dirgatva mahan, mahanto, mahantaha, right? That is the reason I have mentioned within bracket exception to shatranta. Okay. So sakaranta pradipadikam and magat pradipadikam will get dirgatvam of the upada to nakara. Here we have to take upada to nakara. Nakara is upada because santa, when we say the conjunct consonant at the end of the pradipadikam, which the ending letter, the ending letter of the conjunct consonant of the pradipadikam is nakara. Therefore, nakara should be no upadayaka comes anuvati. Therefore, nakara has to be upada only. So nakara has to be upada. The last letter either it is sakara or for magat shabda it is takara. So for santa magata sanyogasya for both. For both this pratipadikam ending with the conjunct consonant, the last letter of the conjunct consonant is sakara for sakaranta and takaranta for magat shabda. Tasya, that is nakarasya upadayaha, it means penultimate to the penultimate will get dirgatvam. So here what happens? Num followed by dirgatvam should be done. Opposite. Here there is no violation, in fact, not opposite. In fact, it is normal. Num is being an antaranga karya, therefore it is done first and then dirgatvam, because the sutra says in that order, because santa magata sanyogasya sutra doesn't violate the normal application of this antaranga karya related rules. So antaranga, num being antaranga, that is done first, that is generally done and that is done. It's not violated. And dirgatvam done later. This is completely violated or overruled by Atthasantasa Chadata. That we saw now. So the distinction between these two, number 3 and this A. What is that? A, 4A. Understand clearly. Is it clear?
Yes, ji.
Yes, Sharanji.
Number
Yes,
3.
ji.
Okay. Now Magat I told. Magat is not a shatranta, but it is deemed to be shatranta. Therefore, shatruvatvat num bhavati. Num krutva eva dirgatvam karaniyam. For both Magat Shabda as well as Ugitva Sakaranta Pratipadikam. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, see the Samskrita version. The same thing I've written. Whether you see, you understand. You read this. Ugitva Sakaranta Pratipadikanam Tatha Magat Pratipadikasya Upadanakarasya Upadayaha Dirgatvam Bhavati. Upadanakarasya Upadayaha. It means Nakara is not the Upada. Us upada will get dirgatvam. Atra magat pradipadikam shatravat bhavati. Ataha num agamaha sarvanamastane prate pare bhavati. Nakarasya upadayaha cha dirgatvam bhavati. Okay. So here I will put the star and copy paste that. The footnote. Footnote I have written here for Vartamani. Then Next point, 4. Point number 4. See the English. Atu, which is a Ugit. As is a Ugit. No. If it is Ugit, then Sutra has to be what? If it is a Ugit, then Sutra has to be?
Gitacham.
No. If it is a Ugit, then what should be the Sutra 6.4.14? It will be At Vasvantasya. At Vasvantasya it will be.
Hmm.
It is not At Vasvantasya. Yen Sandhi would have happened if it is Ugit, Asu plus Antasya, Asvantasya, right? Like Atvantasya that happened, there it is Atu, not At. If it is At, then it should have become Atasantasya, Radasantasya, right? But Atu, Yen Sandhi has happened. Therefore, Atu is Ugit. Whereas As, it is only As, not Asu. Here it is not a Ugit. If it is a Ugit, then what will happen? It will get Nummagama.
Nummakama.
Here it is only Asanta. Therefore, Asanta doesn't get Nummagama. Just simply do what? Dirgatvam. Like Vedas, Nachiketas. Understand?
Yes, ji.
Do you see all these things clearly?
Yes, sure.
Yes. Therefore, Atu, and that's why I've written within bracket, non-Ugit. If it is Ugit, like Esun, etc., that what will happen? Like Nachiketas, etc., it will take. Sorry, not Nachiketas. If it is Esun, that's okay. Esun is better. Shreyas Shabda. In Pullinga becomes Shreyan, Shreyamso, Shreyamsaha. Did we do that? Shabda?
Yes,
No.
ji.
Did
No,
it? No?
it's
You
long.
just gave an example of Shreya.
At first,
First one we did, one
Yeah.
Okay, we will do all the examples. We'll try it today. We'll do it. Okay. First, you understand the rule. Then we'll take a different shabda. Whichever shabda you want to do, you tell me. We'll do it. Now, Atu and As. Note this is non-Ugit, not a Ugit. Anugit. Ending Pradipadikam will get to Padadirgatvam when only Sarvanamasthana Asambuddhi Su follows. This is what we saw in the beginning. Now, Sanskrita version, if you see number 4. Atvanta Pradipadikasya Tata Anugit, non-Ugit. Asantasya, Asanta Pradipadikasya Sarvanamasthana Asambuddhi Sau Pratyaya Pare Upadayaha Dirgatvam Bhavati. So, Asanta, which is not a Ugit, will get Uttara Dirgatvam only. No Nummakama there because it is not an Ugit. And whereas Atvanta will get Uttara Dirgatvam followed by Num. This is the thing. The fourth point. Atvasantasya Shadhartha. Right? Then the next one, 4a, you see. Among this already we saw. Atu being Ugit, it will get Numagama. When do you order Numagama? After Dirgatvam. Dirgatvam followed by Num should be done. In the Sanskrita version, Eteshu Ugitvat Atvanta Pradipadikasya Atu being a Ugit, Numagama Bhavati. Kada Numagama Bhavati? Dirga Karya Anantaram Numagamaha Bhavati. Dirga followed by Num. This is 4a. Then 4b. Asanta being a non-Ugit, therefore no Numagama. Therefore only Upada Dirgatvam happens when Sarvanamasthana Asambuddhi Su follows. Vedaha is an example. Nachiketaha is an example. 4b, you see. Anugitvat Asanta Pradipadikasya Num Agamaha Na Bhavati Anugitvat. That's a hetu. Ataha Sarvanamasthana Asambuddhi Sau Pratyaya Pareyeva Upadayaka Dirgatvam Bhavati. I hope you are all following. Then number 5. Innanta Pradipadikam. Innanta Pradipadikam. Suddenly Innanta we are coming. Ananta we are not discussed. It doesn't happen. Ananta is no Padayaka Dirgatvam Sarvanamasthana Asambuddha. That will apply. Therefore Raja, Rajana, Rajanaha. We will decline. Anyway, I'll do it step by step, all these shabdas. Innanta Prad. Pratipadikam will get Upada Dirgatvam only when Saranavasthana Asambuddhi Supratyaya follows, like Karin, Kari. After that, Karinau, it is no Dirgatvam. Only for Asambuddhi, Saranavasthana Asambuddhi Supare Eva Bhavati. Sarvanamastane Asambuddhi Sauprate Pare Inanta Pratipadikasya Padayaha Dirgatvam Bhavati. Okay. Inanta we are specifying what will happen Ananta. Ananta it will happen. Then why Inanta you are specifying? Because it is Saucha. Only when Sau Supratyaya Pare. Where is that? You see. In an portion Aryan Nam Shau, the whole the word is Kamta Sanuvritti. 6:4:14. So in Anta, Han is Anshabda. That Andatu that becomes Shabda. Then portion Aryaman, that we will see later. Portion Aryaman. Portion is Surya, Nakaranta Shabda, Aryaman Nakaranta Shabda. All this, Aryama, that will become Prathama Bhakti Aryama, Posha. That Dirgatvam happens only when when Saranavasthana Sambuddhi Sau Pare Eva Bhavati. That is why specifically it is given. Okay. So that is what is given. Inanta Pratipadika will get Upada Dirgatvam when Saranavasthana Sambuddhi Su follows. Last point, number 6. For other Nakaranta, Ananta, etc., like Rajan, etc., Upada Dirgatvam happens when Asambuddhi Saranamastana follows. It means any Saranamastana Pratyaya follows, it will happen. Because there is no condition, only Su follows. No Padayaha, Sarvanamastane Chasambuddha, that 648 will apply for any Nakaranta Shabda. Therefore, Raja, Rajano, etc. happens for Nakaranta Shabda. Atman also like that. Atma, Atmano, Atmanaha. Brahman, Brahma, Brahmano, Brahmanaha. Nakaranta Shabda. Ananta Shabda. For only for Inanta, Upada Dirgatvam happens only for Asambuddhi Su. Inantam Varjayitva, Anyesha, Nakaranta Pratipadika, Asambuddhi Sarvanamastane, Pare, Upadayaha Dirgatvam Bhavati. All other Nakaranta, excepting Inanta. Then Saranamastana Pratyaya follows, excepting some Sambuddhi, Pada Dirgatvam Bhavati. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, I will do the declension. Even you have to tell the sutra. Now, I've given this. Okay, you want me to write the sutra? That also I can do. If you want. Okay, I will start like that. I given the summary. I taught everything. I mean, related to this Nakaranta, etc. Now, sutra I will write. Simple vritti I will write. Then we can take up the Shabda for declension. This will serve as a notes also for you. Sutram. What is Sutra number 648? Please tell me. I write whatever I taught now. I will write in Vritti Sutra.
Sarvanamastani cha sambuddho.
Sarvanamastane cha
Sambuddho.
sam.
Nopadayaha and Dirgaha will come as
That is
Anuvritti.
Can write that also. No padayaha. That comes as Anuvritti. Okay. Now, what does it mean, the sutra? What is sutrartha? Sutrartha is
Sarvanamastane Asambuddhi Pratye Pare.
Sambuddhi Binne. I am writing this is from the Pratama Vritti. It's okay. It's a good one. Sambuddhi Binne Sarvanamastane cha Parataha. Parataha. What will happen? No Padayaha is there. Why this Vritti is, you see, good. It clearly says Nantasya. What is Nantasya?
Nakara.
Nakarantasya.
Antasya.
Nakaraha antaha yasya
Yes. Saha.
pratipadikasya saha nakaranta pratipadikam. What samasa?
Bahuvrihi.
Bahuvrihi. Nantasya angasya means nakarantasya angasya. How do you say nakaranta angasya? Because no padayaha.
Ah,
Pratipadika ending with nakara. It means nakaranta pratipadikam, it's upada. That we can know it from the anuvritti. Anuvritti, the previous sutra is the anuvritti. The whole thing is the anuvritti. This dirghatam happens when the pratipadikam has the antyavarta nakara.
Nakara.
Right? Therefore, nantasya angasya kim bhavati padayaha
Dirghatam.
dirghaha bhavati, right? This vritti is good. That's why I take this. You want English translation?
No need.
This we can follow.
Very
This
good.
is, yeah, we can.
Very good. Okay. Now, one example I will do. After that, we can take up the shabda and do all the forms. I just only for this Rajan plus Su. What will happen?
Rajan.
Yeah, upadaditatva.
Upada dirgham. It is not sambuddhi, number one, that you have to see. It is Su is, it is 1-1, not a sambuddhi Su. Sambuddhi is 8-1. This is asambuddhi Su and also Saravanamastana Pratyaya Pare. Saravanamastana Pratyaya Pare. Angasya, anga ending with nakara. That's why nantasya, written nantasya angasya, nakarantasya angasya. In our notes, it is given as Innantam Varjayatva Anyesham Nantasya Nantanam Pratipadikana. Okay, refer to that. So therefore, what will happen? Rajan Upadayaga Dirghatam No Padayaga Saranamasthane Cha Sambuddho applied. Then Su Sakara. Ekal Pratyaya, who is Igit? Who is it letter? Ekal Pratyaya, what will happen?
Halyabhyo.
Alyambyo dirgha sutasya
Hal lopaha.
hal
So it is
ityane.
written lopaha.
Yes. Therefore becomes Lopaha.
Lopaha.
Then this is what is this?
Then you have Rajan is a padam. It's a padam.
Padam ending with
Nakara.
Nakara.
So
Pratipadikam also is.
Nakara.
Nakara.
So therefore what will happen? Nakara of the padam, which happens to be the nakara of the pratipadikam also, right?
yeah.
That nakara will go with nalopaha pratipadikantasya.
Yeah, 8-7.
Pratipadikantasya yaha nakara vartate padasyapi yaha saha nakara vartate chet kim bhavati tasya lopaha bhavati. Therefore
Lopaha.
becomes Raja.
Raja.
Okay, now you do like this, write the sutra. I will do Raja declension. So that Raja is should be done. So here what will happen? This Upada Dirghatam
Halnyabhyam. Halnyabhyam. That one.
648. Here 648 I just writing.
Yeah.
And here it is Alniyabhyam Dirgha Sutisi Apruktamal. I'm not writing the sutra, it will take time. Tell me the number.
6168.
6168 is applied.
Then 8-7.
8-7.
8-7. Oh, I thought you were 8-7. No?
Yeah, this one we
Yeah,
have done.
This we have done, Chanji.
The Rajan Shabda we can do then. Nakarantaha Umlingaha Rajan Shabdaha. I will not do whole everything. I will do only this Saravanamastana and one ha and one pada. Rajan plus Au. What will happen?
It will be Raja now.
Raja now.
Now only.
Will Upada Dirghatam happens?
No.
No.
Yes,
Then how
the
will
Raja.
happen?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yes, it
Yeah,
happens.
it
You
happened.
apply 648 and then.
Upada Dirghatam, it is restricted only when it's restricted only for Asambuddhi Su for Vikshabda. Atu ending. Sorry, it's restricted only for Atu ending. Yes, Atu ending only. Yes,
Innanta.
Atu ending. Inanta is okay, very good. Yes. Inanta you can say. Or Inanta we have not yet seen, we're going to see that form. Inanta is fine. In and Poshanariyam Namsham, as well as Atu ending, right? Don't forget that.
Atvanti, yes.
Bhagavan, Bhavan, Bhavanto, Bhavantaha, Bhagavan, Bhagavanto. It's connected to our Bhagavan. That's what just now we saw, right? Only
Yeah,
for
Atvanta, yeah. That is one.
Asambuddhi Su. In also you
Su,
can say Kari, Kari, Karino, Karinaha. Okay. For all other Akaranta, excepting Innanta, what will happen? When Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya.
All, all
Even,
sthana, Sarvanamastanas.
even for Sambodhana also it will happen.
Yeah.
Except
8283.
Eight.
8283.
So now the same thing I copy. So just will become content is okay. You can, what is the content of this?
Us,
What
us.
other sutra is applied to remove ja?
Chutu.
Chutu.
Two.
Pratyasya adihi chutu, right? Lopaha bhavati. Itsanya bhavati tasya lopaha. Lopaha ityukte adarshanam lopaha. All this we have seen. You have to bring it. Okay, you have to bring it. I will do one thing. One shabda. Let me do like this. Just 1 minute. This is you have to practice like that. What is that? Ugitanta. Okay. One table I will copy and paste it. I've done once. Not here. For the curriculum students. Just a minute. You see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, Raj.
What do you see? Sakarantaha.
Sakarantaha
I'm just converting.
Napumsakalinga.
Yes. Akarantaha. Pullingaha.
Rajan.
Rajan Shabdaha. This is better. We'll do like this. Now, Rajan plus Su. What will happen? Rajan plus Su is equal to
Raja.
Raja. Please tell me the sutra. List of sutra what is applied here.
648.
648 by that. Padadirgatvam. Then
6168
and
827.
827.
Similarly, Rajan plus Au will become Raja now.
Again 648.
648.
648.
648, 6168 will not apply.
Yeah,
Only
That's all.
648 and 827. You do like this is a homework practice. Any Shabda, even if you know, apply that.
Why we need 827?
Why we need 827?
Sorry, 8 is not required, yes. Only 648 one, yeah. Akara will not go with this. Then here it is Rajan plus us just will become Raja.
Again the
Raja.
648.
So here it is.
648.
648.
8.
And then
Then 8266 and 8350.
very good. All those you have to write it. 648 by that Upada Dirgatto. Then
648. Then you will get Raja.
Padanta
So
Sakara.
Padanta Sakara. So it will become
Then
Ru. Such as
83.
for Ru. Then Karavasam.
Karavasani.
8350. Yeah.
If required, you can write, not if required, you can write so is what? So is Pratyaya is who is it letter. How? Ugitajam. Sorry.
Upadesha Ajananasika.
Upadesha Ajanasika. What's the number? 13?
That we have to see.
13 that you have to see.
3. Third one.
Three.
First
Three,
is Bhuadaya Data. Oh, second one then.
Second one. Alantembit is third one. Upadesha Ajanasika. It Sanya only is giving. And what will happen to it? Tasya Lopaha Bhavati. That is the 138. What is Lopaha? That also you have to tell.
Adarshanam Lopaga. 1160.
1160. In fact, we can write so many sutra, but this much is enough. Okay. Similarly, here also. Adihi Chuttu. What's the number? 13. Already we have seen that. You can tell this. See sutras, you know, therefore you can tell. What will happen?
6.
Chuttu. Pratyasya Adihi Chuttu. Chuttu is
2,
Adi.
7. 137.
137, not 2. 2 is
7.
Upadesya Junasika Gita. This is 7. 137. Tasya lopaha bhavati. Lopasya adarshanam.
Asha.
All this you have to copy paste. Once you write, then after that is copy paste only. Okay. Now, what will happen here? Rajan plus becomes
Rajanam.
Raja. Now, right?
Rajanam.
Yeah,
So, therefore, here Upada.
Dikatvam will happen.
Dirgatvam.
648. 648 will come.
Anything else will happen?
No.
Asti. Melanam.
Here it is just 648. Here you have to tell something more also. This is Supratyaya, right? You have to 132 goes away, and also by Na Vibhakta to Smaha, it doesn't get it. It letter goes away. That is also you have to write. Na Vibhakta to Smaha. Padanta, the Sakara is, you can say Alantyam. When so you remove it, only Sakara is there.
Yeah.
That,
Sakara, we don't
similarly,
do that.
here also, just also, Na Vibhakta Tusmaha, because of that only you are getting Sadhadishoruhu. So, Sadhadishoruhu. I think I told you, from Budhatu you get Bhavati, right? That
Yeah.
Prakara, how many sutras are? More than 25 sutras are applicable. You try. You know how the forms are. More than 25 sutras are. From the very the Sanya Sutram onwards, Dhatu you have to define. What is Dhatu? Bhuvadayaha Dhatavaha, Sanadayaha Dhatavaha. From there onwards you have to define. Then Pratyaya comes. What is Pratyaya? Sarvadhartika. Sarvadhartika you have to define. Then which Gana is there? Then Shab comes. What is Shab? Is Sarvadhartikam or not? That also you have to define. Then in among that Pratyaya, that it letter goes away. What sutra it goes away? That you have to tell. Anga Karyam happens. What is Anga? You have to define. Anga is 1/413. Yasmat Pratyaya Vidiki Tadari Pratyaya Anjam. So if you do like that, from Budhatu, you get Bhavati. More than 25 sutras are applicable. It's all homework. For you to get familiar with the sutra, this has to be done. So don't take any Shabda for granted. You do it as a homework. Here also, Makara is what? Makara is, you have to,
Yeah, Na Vibhakta Tusmaha.
not to Tusmaha.
Not to small.
The sutra should come to your mind.
Not
Makara, just we take it for granted. It's okay because you know it, but still, it's like a programming, computer programming. You don't take anything for granted. You have to do it. Okay, next one is.
Same as two.
But what is the pratyaya?
Out.
Out.
Out. It is a out, not out. Takara is
Sakara, it
with
Halantyam.
letter.
Halantyam iti you have to apply.
Alantyam it. So number.
Halantyam iti number is
133.
133. By that, this is out. Takarasya sanya bhavati. After that, upada dirghatvam 648. Next. Here. Rajan plus Shas. What will happen here? Upada dirghatvam bhavati va?
No.
No.
This is not Sarvanamasthana.
Sarvanamasthana, but
So this is Bhas.
Rajnyaha, right?
yeah, it's
Oh.
a Bhasanya.
We don't know how
There is
Rajnyaha
another one
comes.
rule, that one.
Yes, we have not seen that. Don't worry. Leave it.
Allopasana.
Allopana.
Oh, that I taught you. Okay.
64134.
Leave it. Let's leave it blank. When we come to this, that time we will fill up this. Okay. Allopana I have not taught. Anyway, I think Ashtade Pravesha it will come. Definitely will tell declension. That time we will see. Even if he suppose he has not covered, we will do it later. allopanaha. So this you leave it blank. Means not yet work completed. You will do it later. We are not seen. Okay. Then here what will happen? Here also same thing. So all the bhasanya position, leave it. Here you can note Rajan plus Shas. Shas is what? Pratyaya. Shas
Asarvanama.
Asarvanamastana pratyaya. Asarvanamastana
Asarvanamastana.
pratyaya. Shas is Asarvanamastana pratyaya. Because of which the Anga gets a name.
Bhasanya.
Not because of us being Asarvanamastana. It has to be Yakaradi or Ajadi. Here Ajadi. Ajadi Asarvanamastana pratyaye pare Angasya bhasanya bhavati. Therefore, 2, 3, as well as 3, 1, all this, you can leave this for time being. We'll come back and we will fill it up later when we learn that sutra, allopanaha. That will come later. Because we are interested in other shabdas. So therefore, we cannot do the whole Rajan Shabda now. Rajan plus Nye. The content of Nye is
Same thing as of
Same thing
Bhava.
here
This also
also.
Bhava.
Nye only. Therefore, it will become,
It's a bhasanya.
This is Bhasanyaka, so can leave it.
therefore, Rajne. Then,
Bhyam we can do.
yes, first let me
Need
do
to.
this. This will become Rajnyaha. This also you can leave it. All these are Bhasanya position. Panchami, Shashti. Let me write that also Shashti. Rajan plus Nas. Content is as Ajadi. Therefore, it is Bhasanya.
Rajya.
Becomes Rajnyaha. In Saptami, you will have 2 forms that we also will see later. Rajan plus Ni becomes Rajani and
Ragni.
Rajni. Because of being a ba, therefore you will have 2 forms. One sutra is applicable. In addition to Allopanaha. Sambodhana Pratama. What will happen here? Rajan plus Su.
Sambuddhi.
Buddhi.
This will not happen.
Sambuddhi. Su. Therefore, this
This will
will not happen.
So Rajan only.
Will you not apply Nalopaha Pradipadikam? No.
Here we use dying sambuddhyo, 8 to 8.
Oh, very good. You are master. Everything very nice.
Whatever
We have
you told,
noted.
I just noted it down.
It's okay. At least you are able to refer the notes and tell, right? Okay. So it means notes are available for reference immediately. You are able to trace it means you are in touch with Sanskritam. It's good. Hey Rajan, here also Nalopaha Pradipadikam. That's it, not applied because by some other sutram that denies the nakara to become lopaha. All
That
this
is Nagi Sambuddha, 8 to
yes,
8.
Yeah.
next one. So all this you can leave out for time being. You can do the other forms. So Bhasanya we cannot do. For that we have to know bar-related rules. Other places we can do. Let us take Bhyam. One Bhyam if we do, other Bhyams are done. Rajan plus Bhyam. What will happen? Rajan plus Bhyam.
Nakara is Seleda.
Naka. By
Rajan
8 to
Bhyam.
7. Yeah.
Raja.
First you have to tell Rajan is a padam.
Yeah.
How do you know that Rajan is a padam?
Asarvanama.
Asar-
It doesn't start with
Hadadi, Asar-
Ya
Padas
or
like
Ach.
Asking the
Yakar,
Sutram.
Ach.
Suvadishu Asranamastane
Suvadishu
1317 you have to tell. 1317. Similarly, ba also ba is 1380. Anyway, ba sangha we have not, ba related we have not done. So this you can say Bhyam is Asranamastana Pratyaya, not Yakaradi, not Yajadi. Therefore, Angasya Padasanya Bhavati. Then
14G, 1470.
sorry, 1470. Yes. Then Bhyam is okay. Then Rajan is both a Pratipadikam as well as a Padam. Therefore, Nalopaha Pratipadikam.
Lopaha Pradipatikantas. 8 to
Nakara
7.
will go away. Right? Then Rajabhya. Simple. Here also, Makara is there. pratyasya, that is not it, na vibhakto to smaha. Whatever I remember, I type. If you know any of the sutra to be applied, you can do it. Rajan, yeah. So these are the common sutra. One for one you do, for other copy paste. Similarly, so if you find any other sutra, all the sutra, in fact, many are there. I've written only the important three. You know, many other. What is that? Okay, one I
That
will do.
we can write Pratipadika Sanya, all those things.
Yes.
before that.
Pratipadika Sanya, you have to write. For here, what is Rajan is Pratipadikam. How it is a Pratipadikam Arthavatu Adhatuhu Apratya
Adatuhu
Pratipadikam.
Apratyaha
You have to write.
Pratipadika.
Then Pratipadika Uttarasya Suoja Samocha Stabhyambis. All those will apply. 412. That sutra you have to write. You have to define Pratyaha. Pratyaha Parascha. That also to be, you have to write Pratyaha comes after that. 312. Pratyaha Parascha, Pratipadikam, all these things to be defined. Why Pratyaya comes after that? Why not before the Pratipadikam? No, Pratyaha Parascha. If you write all the sutra, you can see how many sutras will come. So many will come.
Yeah,
You can do it.
Trine, all those things. Yeah.
All those things you have to write. Yes, you have to write. It is Pratama Bhakti. You have to define Pratama. Then you have to say it is Ekavachanam. Then Su, of course, you have written that. So all those things you write, you will see the many sutras coming. Anyway, all this your homework you can try. I've written only important sutras here. For one, at least for one, you can try. After all the sutras applicable. Don't leave anything for granted. Starting from Pratipadika, Rajan. Why do you add the Pratyaya, Supratyaya? What is Supratyaya? Where it is defined. That also to be, you have to write it.
So this. Okay.
412. So like that, if you do it, then we'll get many sutras. Then application of Vitsanya sutras, then Angakarya related sutra. So finally you get the form Raja. That's how you get Raja. Okay. Now let us do Rajan plus Bihi. Rajan plus Bihi will become
Raja, first that Nakara Lopa,
Akara, the
Raja
sweet
8 to 7.
this is 1417. 1417 is, remember Sutra, just not number. 1417 is very important Sutra. See, I told you
Swadishwa Saranamastane.
Supting Antam Padam is important. 1414.
1414. Yeah.
Swadishu Asranastane Padam important sutra. Echibham is important sutra. All these sutras, you have to remember. These three sutras. Supting Antam Padam, Swadishu Asranastane Padam, Echibham. Right? These three
Yes.
are very important. Based on that, it happens. And also here, Saranamastana I told. Saranamastana is Shi Saranamastanam, Sudanapumsakasya. That also can be written for this. How do you call this as Saranamastana Pratyaya? Because Sudanapumsakasya, Shi Saranamastanam, Sudanapumsakasya. How many sutras will come, you see? Okay, let me do that.
Gee, it is difficult for me getting many sutras into my mind.
So what to do now?
No, whatever you taught earlier, now you are in.
No, difficult mean was unmarried teacher. I mean, I don't understand.
No. I don't know what to do.
What to do means you apply whatever you know, you apply. Later, when you learn more things, then you will apply. Keep adding it.
Okay.
That's all
Okay.
the learning is. Whatever you know, you apply it. Whatever you discover in the process later, that will be added later.
Okay. Last class,
If you have
whatever you
not
taught me, it's okay. Now
Now it's
applying these sutras we have learned, but with number and I don't know.
not number. This
It's
sutram only.
not-
Sutram has the number. Instead of writing the sutram, writing the number. You have to
That's to make
connect.
it
See,
easy.
it's application. Application of what you have learned. Without applying this, without applying these sutras, how will you get the Raja form? The sutra you are applying, not that you are not applying. You are applying, but you are taking for granted. That's all. Because you know it. What you know that you only are writing it. What you know only you are expressing it. It's not that you don't know. You know it and you are putting it in writing. You are expressing it. That's all in words. That's this thing, not a simple thing. It's not difficult. You have to practice. That's what I'm saying.
If you
Don't
write and
take
say,
it.
it will come into practice.
come.
Yeah, we'll write and
No,
You are
I
good.
don't.
Huh?
No, he's telling, you are telling fast. No, I'm not able to write also the other sutras.
Okay.
It's okay. When,
We will write one thing and we'll post it. See, then you will.
see,
Ah.
if you want to write it, write it. Otherwise, if you know it, then leave it, no problem. Whatever you wish. I'm just telling, these are all, these so many sutras are applied by which you get the form. You have to appreciate seeing this. So many sutras are applied. All you know it. Then you have to recognize that this much you know it. Okay.
Hmm.
What is that you don't know? All these things, it is already known. So known thing only you are writing it. Okay. If you don't know
Okay.
any sutra, what sutra is, how it is comes, you ask.
I think she's
Okay.
not saying she don't know, but she can't write
Yeah,
it fast to pick it up. That's what
No,
she's
I
saying.
have heard all these sutras earlier
Hmm.
also, but
Hmm.
uh, I'm
Let
not
us-
able to write.
Not able to write.
Write and it's familiar for me, but I have
Ah.
not by heart. The
It's okay. Not by hearted, then slowly by practice, it will come. That is what study of sutra is. Then that's the purpose, right? Study of the sutra is to know it, is to not I won't say memorize, remember it. At least you have all the materials with you, right? You should be able to refer to the materials how it comes.
okay. Ji.
Hmm.
Even after writing whatever sutras we know, there may be some hidden sutras which we don't know.
No,
Then
actually,
whenever we
yeah.
learn
Yes,
it, we can include
you,
it.
you
That's
see
all.
it as a it's if you miss sutra, it's not a problem because you ultimately got the form, right? Just so many sutras are applicable or hidden that you know, but you don't explicitly say. But these are all sutras are applied to get the desired form. That's why I said Buddha too from Bhavati. Don't you know Bhavati form? You know it.
Yeah.
25 sutras are applied in that. Can you imagine? I'm just saying 25, maybe more than that. So just see how it comes to sutras. So if I ask you all of you to do that, some may come with 10 sutras, some may come with 20 sutras, some may come with 30 sutras also possible. So it depends on how much you probe into the each the word Pratipadikam Pratyaya Dhatu, then you get out of it. The more you squeeze it, the more you get it.
Yeah.
It
Okay,
depends
Ji,
on how
I'll
much
try.
you squeeze. Okay. I'm just trying to help you what all the sutras. For this, you have to do only once. Once you do, then that is same thing for all. That is the easy thing here. Okay, let me do one. You understand? Try to understand. And
I
if you don't know
understand,
other,
I understand, but it's difficult for me to.
so don't do it. That's what. If it's difficult, leave it. No problem.
So we'll write it, then we will come.
Yeah,
Get
it will
it.
It's okay.
come.
Fine. Let her talk. I'm talking. See, if it's difficult, leave it. No problem. What you understand, you understand. Don't trouble too much. Huh? What you understand, it's enough. Don't trouble yourself too much. But I teach everything. Okay. You take only as much as possible. You understand. For that matter, all these things not required.
Yeah, I
only
understand.
only Rajan. This no padayaga sarvanamasthane cha asamruddho nalopa padipadika. That's it. It's enough. You got it. The sutra. That's over. In Ashtadhyayi Parvesha, that only he will say. He will not tell all the rules applicable. But I'm just saying this is all there. You just see, appreciate. If you can do it. Otherwise, no problem. Apply the main sutra. Stop there. 648, 668, 827. Done. Over.
Okay. Ji.
So don't think that you're not able to do.
That I am
Oh,
able
that-
to
yes,
do 648,
that's it.
6168. That's no problem.
That is enough. That is what it is. As a teacher, I'm giving everything. Take as much you can. So Rajan is Nalopaha, sorry. This Arthavat Adatahu Apratyah Pratipadikam. This as well as Rajan Shabda, we don't know whether it is derived from adding Unadi Pratyah, maybe possible. Therefore, Kritakita Samasasya also you can add. 1 to 40.
Yes.
This is the definition of
1,
Pratipadikam.
4, 16. Yeah. 1, 2,
Then
16.
this Supratyaya, that is Su is a Pratyaya. So Pratyaya is defined in 311 section. And as well as Pratyaya comes after the the anga, which is a pratipadikam in this case.
Okay.
So 312, pratyaha parascha.
Rasya.
Then Pratyaha is Supratyaya is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya. Therefore, 412 is the sutra by which Suvauchas, Samvauchas, Tabhyambus, all those 412, you know what is comes. Then what is Supratyaya if you ask? It is a Ekavachana Pratyaya. It is Ekavachanam. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam, that is also defined. And Su is a Vibhakti Pratyaya. Because it's a Vibhakti, it's got a Vibhakti Sanya. Therefore, 14104,
Rasya.
Vibhaktischa, that is applied.
Yeah.
That is applied. Supaha Vibhaktischa. 14104, which is Anuvrakti of Supaha. Then, among that, it is Ekavachanam, therefore, Ekavachanam 14102, that also is applied. Okay, let me write like this. And it is Pratama, Madhyama, Uttama, it is Pratama Purusha. So Pratama is also defined. It's 14102.
One-
That itself,
101. Things Trini.
not Trini, 14102 itself, it does that. 1410, actually 14103 itself, it does that.
Just Anuvritti. Okay.
So this about the Pratyaya. Then Rajan plus Su, Pratyaya. And this is the Anga also. Therefore, it is
Gasya.
1313. This is a Anga. Anga is Anga Karya. Therefore, to the Pratyaya. All these are all Sanya Sutra. First one is defines Pratipadikam, second one defines Pratyaha, and Pratyaya comes after the Pratipadikam. Then this defines what is a Pratyaya, Su just Pratyaya, and 14104 tells what is that it is. It is Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, and 1413 tells it is the Anga. Then apply the sutra for the ith letters, to remove the ith letters of the Pratyaya. Then what is ith letter to be defined, then Adasham Lopaha, etc. And finally, Suptingantam Padam, by that it gets Parasanya. These are all what I remember. If you remember anything else, also you can write it. How many sutras are there? You see, deriving one form, Rajan plus Su. All these are all known. Which one you don't know? You know everything. All these have been already learned. Yes or no?
Yes.
Anything you don't know in this? Ganesh, anything you don't know in this?
All known. These are all Sanya Sutra.
We know, right?
These are definitions. So we already given them.
Already we given. Anga maybe I think I would not have given, right?
That also you have told Yasmat Pratyaya.
Not in this class I told I don't know.
No, I don't
Yes,
think so.
yes, okay. Anga is 1414. Pratyaya Vidi. Yasmat Pratyaya Vidi, Tadadi Pratyaya Anga. All these are Sanya Sutra. Sanya also you have to define. We are not taking anything for granted. Once you do this has to be copied for all. Because Sanya is there everywhere. Sanya Sutra, only Karya is different. So copy Sanya Sutra for all. Only Karya Sutra, only specific Karya Sutra only you have to write. That's all it is. Anyway, this is one example I have done. Similarly, you can extend the same thing for Samasa. Same thing for Samasa also we are taking for granted many things. Because we know it. Not taking for granted. We know it, therefore we don't pay that much attention, focus on that. Just move on. Like Supodhata Pratipadika, look, we know it. Every time we don't know, we don't write or we don't mention also. Just we remove the Vibhakti Pratyaya. Similarly here also. Main sutra is Kari Sutra. That is the main sutra. Okay. So this is thing. And also another thing is, this is not yet over. You say Upadayaga Dirgatam Bhavati, right? What is Upada?
You have to define.
That also you have to define. What is Upada? You know it, I told you. There is also Sanya.
Yes.
Alokyat Purvam, Purvaha.
Purvam Upada.
What is that? Sutra number. It is there in 1165. Alontyat, okay, here I will write.
Yes, first chapter, first padam. One more.
1 Alontyat 65, right?
Yes,
What?
65, correct.
Then Upada, what will happen to Upada? Upada becomes,
Dirgha.
what is
Dirgha.
Dirgha? What is Dirgha?
Dirgatvam, Dirgha, that is Rasva Dirgha Plataha. That one.
That you have to write. Ukalaha,
Ukalo Rasva Dirgha.
Jasva Dirgha Plutaha. Where is that? It is 1 2.
1, 3.
It is 1 to 27. You have to write Ukalaha, Rasvaha, Dirgha, Plutaha, 1 to
1 to
27.
27.
And Dirghatvam applies in the place of Ach. That is by the Paribhasha, very next sutra, Achascha 1 to 28. Not yet over. The Dirghatvam comes in the place of A, right? A is what? It is Shashti Vibhakti. What is Shashti? Stani. Stani you have to define. Shashti Stani Yoga.
Shashti Sthane Yoga.
That is 149.
1149. Yeah.
Okay. So Upadayaga, Upada is the one the Sthani you have to write, right? When does it happen? In Sranamastana Pratyaya. Sranamastana did I write? Okay, that also to be written. She Sranamastanam, Sudanapum Sakasya. Sudanapum Sakasya alone you write 1111 43. How many sutras over? See, how many are there? So many are there. Sarvanamastane Pratyaya Pare. Then this happened. And this is because of the Paribhasha. Tasminiti Nirdishte Purvasya. How do you Dirghatvam, why not happen for Ra? Is there somewhere else? Why not it happens for the Pratyaya? No. When something is mentioned in Saptami Vibhakti, Karya will happen immediately preceded to that. Tasminiti Nirdishte Purvasya 1166.
66.
How many are there? You can see so many sutras are applied to get the form. Just a model as a model I did one. Same thing you can try. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, then 22, maybe around 22. 25 sutras are applied. Among them, our focus is only on this 648, 6168, 8217. This you understand, it's enough. Other things are all extra. Those who are very curious, want to know this, you can try this. For only one time you do, other time you copy it. Okay. I have written whatever I remember. You can write, you can try in your leisure. If you have not taught anything, that leave it. But what you know, what I have taught, that you can try to remember and write it. This is just to see. This is this exercise serves the purpose of remembering also. You keep remembering the sutra, you will not forget it. The best way to study is to remember, right? I mean, what is study? You study to remember things. This, when you do in the process of derivation, you remember also. You have to remember, there is no other way, right? So two things are done. Repeated remembrance. If you do repeatedly, every time when you do, you have to deliberately tell 1 to 45. Arthavat, adhatuhu, aparatya, pradipadikam. Saying that every time, you get used to the sutra. At least you should, minimum benefit is you will be able to read the sutra, pronounce the sutra properly. Will not have difficulty. Arthavat, adhatu, apratya, pradipadikam. Tirpatita samasascha. Seeing the number, you'll be able to relate to the sutra. Seeing the sutra, you'll be able to tell the number. 311 pratyaha, 312 pratyaha parascha, 412 which adhikara, what sutra. These are the benefits. Okay, this you can try. Anyway, coming back to the topic. I hope this is interesting. You can do this is by this you can enhance your memory also. Memory of the sutras, whatever you have learned. You will be forced to remember. Try this for not only for this, even for lakara. Lakara, kritantas, When we see that time, I'll tell you for Pradantas also. Pradanta, we have not taught you the all the related things. You see that later. For at least for Lakara, you can do whatever the Lakara, Sarvadhatukal Lakara, 4 Lakaras you learned, you try how from Buddha to Bhavati comes. Okay, now this next one. For other sutra, just copy paste. We do Chaturthi Bhakti, Dvivachanam. What will happen here? Rajan plus Vyam. Same. Rajan plus Vyam, Rajan Vyam. Then Chaturthi Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Chaturthi Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Rajan plus Vyaha. Yes. Yes is Padanta Sakara. Therefore, it will become Rajabhyaha. Then
Sharanji,
Panch-
sorry, 3 we were doing, no, Sharanji?
Nityama, yes.
What is it? First one you apply 8 to 7 is na lopaha.
Mhm.
Then next one will be what? Will it not be 8 to 66 varamudima? Because it is
Where
in the
is,
Tripathi section.
where is Sakara?
There is no sakara to become sarva. No?
This, no?
This,
Raj-
okay.
3 I'm saying, the Sharanji.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
You're
this,
saying,
yeah,
yeah, of
sakara.
course, yes.
Ah,
Yes, yes. That it is applied.
66 and yes.
After 8 to 7, how do you apply?
Oh,
That is my
hold on,
question.
let us speak. Yeah, yes, tell.
After 8 to 7, how do you come to 8 to 66? Because isn't it? Oh, 8 to 7 is it? Okay.
8 to
I'm
7,
sorry.
not 8 to 70.
Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah. For a
8 to-
moment, I thought it is 8 to 70.
Yes.
Okay.
After that, Sakara, 8 to 66.
Then it will come. It will come in order. Okay.
Yes. I'm not writing that because you know it.
Yeah.
Sasajishoruhu, Karavasana Siddhaniha, all those things I'm not writing because known to us, right?
Yeah. Sorry. I thought for a second.
That's what I'm focusing only on the main sutra, how Nakara goes. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, that is applied, yes. Then Panchami Dvivachanam. That becomes the same thing, copy paste
Same,
only.
same as 3, 2, and 4.
Panchami Bhagavachanam, Rajan plus, yes, it become Rajan Vyaha. Then Shashti Bhakti Dvivachanam, Rajan plus Os. Here what will happen? Rajan plus Os. Os is Padanta Sakara, same thing here also will happen. Rajan plus Os is,
It's a Basanya. So again, it will.
Rajnu.
it becomes Basanya. Okay, leave it. This
Okay,
also.
yeah.
This we will see later. Rajan plus Nam. There we saw Rajan plus Nam is
That is also.
That is also Basanya.
Basanya. Rajnya. So leave it that. Leave that also. We'll see that later. Basanya later. Then Rajni. Then here also Rajan plus Os. Then Rajan plus Su. Rajan plus Su. Here you can apply. So is not
Pratarya.
Ekaradi, therefore you can apply.
It's a Padam, yeah.
So here you can apply the sutra, whatever you have seen that. Here it is not Saranavasthana, therefore Upada Dirgata na bhavat. Rajan plus Su, only Nalopaha Pratipadikantasya,
Yeah.
nothing else is applied. Su also will not undergo Shattam because not preceded into, so leave it. And here it is Rajan plus how? Rajano. Same as 1, 2. Is Saranavasthana, this is one. Only 8. 1 is Sambuddhi. Sambuddhi, this is not a problem. Therefore, you apply as it is. Rajan plus, yes, becomes Rajan, Rajano, Rajana.
Jana.
This I did for this Shabda, the Asanta Shabda, sorry, Ananta Shabda. The same thing you can do for Inanta Shabda. For Sranamastana only we are seeing, can try for Sranamastana. Basanya, as we study further, Ashtadhyayi Pravesha, we will see. Okay, this is Nakarantaha, Pullingaha, Rajan Shabdaha. Okay, then here, okay, this same thing. I will complete this Rajan Shabda. Bha Sanya, Ba portion, you leave it. Ba portion alone, you leave it. The same thing I copy pasted. One Shabda, I did all the forms, everything, applied all the sutras, etc. Then the other one. One minute. I will do it in another file. Take for Nakaranta Shabda, Atman Shabda. Nakarantaha, Nakarantaha, Pumlingaha, Atman Shabdaha. So Nakarantaha, Pullingaha, Atman Shabdaha. Atman, since I deleted the not required for this. Atman plus Su, it will become
Actually, you get Atma.
no Padayaha, Saranamastane Sambuddho. Atman plus Su, then Atman plus Sakara,
Kara.
then 616 Alginyabhyam Dirgha Suti Siya Pruttam Al Atman you get Alopaha Pradipadigantasya Atma. So finally you get Atma. So this is here also that Ba portion that we will see later. This is how we get the form Atman Shabda. Others sutra you can do it later. Atman plus Au. Here also it becomes Atmano. Pada Dirgatto Bhavati. Saranamastane cha Asambuddho.
648. you know.
648, yes.
Mm.
Atman plus Jas. Atman plus Jas becomes
This is-
Atma, Atmano,
Atmana.
Atmanaha. Why Atmanaha?
Atmanaha.
Dirgattam
Atmanaha.
happens.
Dirgat, yeah.
When Saranamastana Pratyaya follows, Dirgattam happens. Then Atman plus will become
Atmanam.
Atmanam.
Upada Dirgattam.
Upada Dirgattam Bhavati. Atman plus out becomes Atmano. Then Atman plus Shas.
Here,
Atmanaha.
no.
Atmanaha.
Yeah,
No
this
Upada
is-
Dirgattam.
No,
Sarvanama.
This
It is not
Basanya.
Sarvanamas Shabda.
So there you can see from the Rajan Shabda also, here also you can see something happens, right?
Mm.
What happens at Rajan Shabda, Rajnyaha.
Rajnyaha.
Here it is Atmanaha. Okay, you just compare this. I'm not going to tell what it is now in this class. Maybe next or maybe when you come to Vasanya later, we will do it. Rajan plus Shas, what is the form? If Atman plus Shas, Atman plus Shas is Atmanaha, Rajan plus Shas should have become Rajanaha, right?
Rajan,
Ah.
yeah.
Atman plus Shas. This is Shas is Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Atman plus Shas becomes Atmanaha. Rajan plus Shas should have become Rajanaha, but it has become Rajnyaha.
Yeah,
So something has happened, right?
you
Yeah.
explain that.
So here Shas is what is the content of Shas? As, right? As alone has become Aha, right? Can I write Aha?
Yeah,
I write Aha. Here you remove Aha from me in this. Nakara plus Aha, right?
mm,
Similarly, Rajan also, Rajanaha, Nakara plus Aha. Okay.
mm,
So, Atman plus Aha, Atmanaha, no problem, straightforward. Rajan plus Aha, what happens? There it is, Nakara plus Aha is fine. But here, Ja is what? Jakara plus what?
Akara.
Akara.
A is there. That A has become Lopa in the case of Rajan Shabda.
mm,
Now Jakara plus Nakara, what will happen? Shutva Sandhi, Nakara will become Nya.
Yeah.
Jakara plus Nya is
Rajnya.
Nya.
mm.
That is how it has become Rajnyaha, then Aha if you add Rajnyaha. So, for Bhasanya, what happens? That Ananta Shabdasya, Nakarasya Upadayaha, Akarasya Lopaha Bhavati. Right? Then why it has not happened? Because
Conjunct consonant.
conjunct consonant is there, then it will not happen. That's all. That's a simple rule. This is what we're going to see in the form of the rule.
Okay.
Nasayoga Vamantat.
Yes, Nasayogat Vamantat. Vam Antat. It will not happen. Okay, we will see that in detail later. Just I told you what happens here in the case of Bha. That's the importance of assigning Bhasanya. Understand?
Yeah,
For Rajan Shabda, that is Nakarasya Upada letter, Akara, that becomes Lopa. Whereas for Atman Shada doesn't happen because Nakarasya Upada is a conjunct consonant. Therefore, doesn't happen. Not just a conjunct consonant, it is specifically Vam Antat. It's a conjunct consonant ending with Makara or Vakara. Here, conjunct consonant ending with Takara plus Makara.
Akara.
Therefore, doesn't happen. Therefore, Nakara, which is a part of the conjunct, and Makara at the end of the conjunct, then the Upada Dirghatvam, then the Lopa of Akara, not Upada Dirghatvam, Lopa of Akara is there in Ma, that Akara will not drop. Therefore, it is Atmanaha, unlike Rajnyaha. This is the difference. This much is enough now for this class. Later when we study, we will see more. Is it clear?
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
Yes.
The same thing, once you know what's the benefit. For all Bhasanya position, you can do this. That's all.
Mm,
Once you know this, the same thing for all. What will happen for Tritiya Bhakti? Rajan plus Nya is the same thing. Here Rajan, A becomes Lopa. Whereas Atman is a conjunct, that Akara is preceded by a conjunct consonant. Akara plus Akara is there. Akara plus Akara is preceded by the conjunct. Therefore, this Akara will not become Lopa. Exception. It will not become Lopa. Therefore, Atman plus Ta will become Na Lopa is just simple addition.
Atmana.
Only for Rajan Shabda, that is where the Upada Akara is not preceded by a conjunct consonant, there only the Akara will go, like in Rajan, Rajnya you get. Other than that, it will not a problem, same. So if you know this, same thing can do for Brahman Shabda also. For all the Bha position, this is what happens. Rajan plus, sorry, Atman plus Nye, what will happen?
Atmani.
Atmane.
Atmane, not Atmane, Atmane.
Atmane.
Similarly, Atman plus Nasi, ba position.
Atmani.
Atmani.
Atmanaha. Nasi is Panchami. As content is us.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Panchami.
Shashti Vibhakti. Atman plus
Atmanaha.
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 Atmanaha. Saptami. Again, it's a bha. You don't have two forms, only one form. Only for Rajan, we have two.
Atmani.
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 Just simple addition. Atman plus Ni. Atmani. And this, it is Sambuddhi Su. What will happen?
Atman.
Atman. Atman.
Atman.
Then Saranavasana position. Atman plus Vyam. Nakara is Nakara
Atmabhyam.
Atmabhyam, right? Rajabhyam, it become Lopa.
Yeah, Nalo.
Atmabhyam. So Atman plus Vyam, Atmabhyam, Atman plus Bihi, Atmabihi.
Atmabihi.
Atmabhyaha.
Similarly, here Atma, I will just copy paste this. Atman plus Vyam, Chaturthi Vivachanam, and Chaturthi Bhagavachanam, Atman plus Vyaha, Atmabhyaha. Then Panchami, Vivachanam, same, Atmabhyam. Here it is, Atmabhyaha. Chaturthi, sorry, Shashti will become Atman plus Oho, Os,
Atmano.
Atmano. The same thing for Saptami, copy paste. And Shashti, Bhagavachanam is Atman plus
Atmanam.
Atman.
Atmanam.
Atmanam. So why Suttakama doesn't come? Suttakama comes only when it is a Pratipadikam is Ajanta. That's why Ramanam, Harinam, etc. Of course, exception is there, not only for Karin also is there. So Karinam, right? Suttakama.
Sut comes for Sarvanama. Nuttagama.
Nuttagama.
Sorry. Nuttakama. Yes. Sorry. Nuttakama, not Suttakama, by mistake, I said yes. Atmanam. Then Atman plus Su becomes
Atmasu.
Atmasu.
Atmasu. So, simple addition. The year Sutra applied is Nalopaha Padipadikantasya. Wherever that Padasanya is there, this is applied. Then here it is simple. Sambodhana Dvivachanam. It is Sarvanamasthana only. Atmanav. Then Bhagavachanam also. Atmanaha. Here Upada. What will happen Upada?
Dirgatvam.
By Saranamastare.
Sarvanamastane Acham.
So this is how you get. Similarly, you can do for Brahman Shabda. Inanta Shabda we will do later. This is for Brahman Shabda. I will send you this file. Go through this. Other file also, Rajam Shabda also I will send. For one Shabda, if you have done, other Shabdas are same. For the Sutras I am saying. If you don't know, don't worry. Apply the main Sutra and derive the form. Atman, Brahman you can do. Any Nakaranta Shabda?
Yajvan is there.
Yajvan you can do, but Yajva, something happens, I think Yajvan.
Is like Atman.
Yes,
It's
Yajvan.
like Atman.
It's a Vamanta. It's a Vam, same like Atman only. Doesn't, that Vakara will not go. It's a good example, yes. Atman, that is the conjunct consonant preceding the Akara. You can take, this is as Ananta, okay. This is, Atman is what?
Yeah.
Ananta. So, Anantasya, Shabdasya, Ananta means ending with Nakara, right? So, Anantasya Shabdasya, Purvasya, Yadi, the conjunct consonant, ending with makara, vakara, then this akara will not become lopa. That is the rule. The akara, annanta shabdasya, purvasya, sanyogasya, antima varnaha, makaraha or vakaraha change. Like Atman Shabda, Yajvan Shabda, there what will happen? The akara will not go for bha position, for bha sanya. Rajan Shabda, it is not like that. It is not preceded by a conjunct first of all. Therefore, it will become lopa. Okay. Then any other Shabda is there in Nakaranta Shabda?
Mahiman. Mahiman.
Magiman Shabda you take. That is also Magiman, ending with
Ananta.
Magi,
Ananta.
Magiman. There, what will happen there? There it will happen. There it will
Mahiman.
It will be
It's
same
not
as-
preceded by a conjunct. Therefore, in Bhasanya, it will become Magimnaha. 2, 3. Magima, Magimano, Magimanaha. Magimanam, Magimano. This A will go away. Magimnaha. Understand? So, Magiman, Gariman, Lagiman, so many Ananta Shabdas are there. If you want homework, I can send you a lot of Ananta Shabdas. If you have Shabda Manjari with you, please.
Murdhan.
Yeah.
Murdhan.
I'll give you many,
Section.
then
Sunaman, Mahiman, Pivan, it's
Okay.
given here.
Murdhan.
I'll give some,
Section.
see, Akinchaniman,
Raman.
Akinch, okay,
P1.
yeah, Akinchaniman, Animan, Amliman, Ashiman, Ushtiman, Rijiman, Kaliman, Krishniman, Rishiman, Kshobiman, Ksodiman, Gariman, Chandiman, Jadiman, Taniman, Dhadiman, Dhagiman, Patiman, Panditaman. So many mans are there. Madhuriman, Bruman, Baliman, Bamhiman, Preman, Badiriman, all are Ananta Shabda. Can try. Okay.
Brahman. Brahman.
Brahman already, I said
Yeah,
Brahman.
yeah.
Please note, Brahman is Nakaranta Shabda, which is both Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. What Linga you are doing now? Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Napumsakalinga later will do. Napumsakalinga is different. Brahma, Brahmani, Brahmani. Pullinga is Brahma, Brahmana, Brahmanaha. That is what we are doing. Raja, Rajano, Brahma, Brahmano. And what will happen if it is Bhasanya? It is Brahman. Ananta preceded by Makara. So what will happen?
So
Will it go away?
No, it
Conjunct,
No, no.
It will
Brahm-
not.
like Atmanaha, Brahmanaha it will be.
Uh,
Okay. Fine. Sorry. It take time. Long time. We'll stop here. I'll give you some homework. You can try this, whatever Shabda I told. You take 4 or 5 Shabda and try. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha. I'll send you the file.
Dhanyavadaji.
Try.
Yes.
The
Yes.
Same 2 years back, same November month, we were doing Nakaranta.
Yeah.
Hopefully next year we will not do this. We'll move on to something else.
Dhanyavad.
But
Dhanyavad.
in which class we are doing that? In the same class?
No,
or
let-
after?
No, we were doing the normal 282nd class, 5/11/21.
Oh, that is with the sutra, without sutra.
Without
You
sutra,
mentioned
no?
Without
also we have-
sutra.
Sutra, but
No,
you
no,
mentioned
without
the
sutra,
sutras.
but the rules
You-
were given.
You
Oh, see,
mentioned the sutras also. I have noted it down. From
okay.
there only I took it up.
It means we are growing and we are learning now with sutra.
Yeah,
It is not that same thing. Yes.
no, it's
As I
not the
told
same.
you that this is also not final. This first we are reading with simply applying the sutra. Second level of study is with Siddhanta Kaumudi. Third level of sutra is with the commentary. So it's all different levels. So it is not same. Okay. So
But
we
now
have
it's
improved.
very clear actually. That's what I wanted to say.
Yes, very good. You know sutra. Now sutra is now you can if you read some Vedanta text, some There's a, for Panchadashi, there is, was one text I heard. For all the words, he has given the Panini Sutra. I mean, not for all the words, the author has written commentary mentioning the sutra which is applied. It's a nice one. So you would be able to follow if you read that. And accordingly, the interpretation given. Okay.
Yeah, you have explained actually for Vyoman, you said.
Oh,
how that
Vyoman,
Vyoman-
yes, another one.
Ah,
Vyoman
you
also.
gave us, yeah.
Vyoman also, you can do. Vyoman also. It is like Vyomni, that akara goes away.
Ah,
It's like Rajan Shabda. Yes. That also you can take. But it is Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga. Yeah.
Yes.
okay.
Napumsakalinga.
Chandasam, it will not happen, you explained. what
exactly,
it is.
Chandasam.
Ah,
Parame Vyoman, right?
yeah, for the,
Taittiriya, yes. Okay, it's good. I've got all the notes and remembering.
no, thanks to you, I could take it out, no, but I was just saying, and we have given us a good summary also, Sharanji. You explained in detail.
I don't know whether I would be able to do the same thing. If I had done better, now to improve upon it is very difficult. That's all time. That time it comes. The summary also what I gave for Nakaranta, I think the summary will do.
It was
We
so
have
clear,
done-
it was so clear, and from there only I picked up all those, I could write it down.
Okay, very nice.
Pushan Shabda also we have done.
And even.
Ananta.
Pushan,
Ananta,
yes,
then-
Ananta. But Pushan,
then-
one thing is only for Saucha, only for Sarvanamasana, this Sambuddhi, Asambuddhi, so follows only, it will happen. That's why Pushan, then Pushana,
Yeah, that
Pushana.
6412 we applied Inanta, no? That
Yes, yes,
rule
Inanta.
here applies here also in Hani
Saucha.
Pusha.
Saucha. For that, in and Pushana, Yanam comes with Anuvarti, right?
Now we saw that
Now,
rule.
Ah,
Yeah.
Kaucha is new to us now.
Yes,
Yeah.
we will do that next class. Inanta, that Shabda. Okay,
Okay.
I will send you the warm-up. You try at least 5 Shabda, step by step. Even if you know the rule, but please do step by step and write the rule. In the sutra, you write, not sutra number. Every time I cannot write the sutra, that's why I'm writing the number. You write the sutra.
Okay.
Alni, Abhyam, Dirga, Su, Ti, Si, Apruktam, Al. Like that you write the long one. It's okay, you write it. Nalopaha Pratipadikantasya, right? Sarvanamasthane cha Asambuddho, you write no Padayaka also within bracket.
Mm.
We have done so many Shabdas, Ji.
Actually,
Brunahan,
you,
Brunahan Shabda, Madhavan.
Vitrigan, you explained that how that Akara
Madhavan.
becomes, yeah, all that you have done it in detail. Gunin,
Okay, that is without sutra. Now with
without
sutra.
sutra, yeah.
Yeah.
But you actually you mentioned the sutra, that's what I wanted to say.
Okay.
Then Shwan Shabda.
Shwan also, yes, one specific
dog.
rule is there. Yes. We will
We have
do
done many Shabdas.
Yeah.
You
Patin,
want,
we went up to Patin.
yeah, Patin.
that. Patin
That
also.
was, yeah, that was the last Nakaranta. we did.
Yeah.
Yes, familiar, if already, if we know that forms, then we can do with sutras. I'll do it. Even though if it is not given Ashtadhyayi Pravesha, I'll cover that. Okay.
Okay. Ji.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್.
Dhanyavadaha.
Sharanji, this afternoon I cannot come. I have doctor appointment.
Yes, please carry.